Road debris, dump trucks, gravel roads, and road hazards can all cause those dangerous chips and spider cracks in your windshield. Protect your vehicle with the Protector Windshield Warranty. Every windshield has millions of tiny micropores that allow cracks to more readily happen. Debris that hits the windshield makes contact with the micropores, causing the windshield to crack, chip, or spider. Our product seals out those pores, utilizing a state-of-the-art hydrophobic windshield application, utilizing carbon nanotubes that are about 100 times stronger than steel. This treatment also repels rain, muddy water, insects, and ice for better visibility, making the vehicle safer for you and your passengers. Though we can't stop all cracks, if one should happen, we'll repair the windshield at no cost. And you'll be happy to know the windshield warranty is transferable to a new owner should you decide to sell your vehicle. See your way clear to peace of mind when it comes to your vehicle's windshield. Contact your auto dealer about the Protector Windshield Warranty. Whether it's shopping carts, door demons, or kids, dings and dents are gonna happen. And nothing could be worse than watching your expensive new car as it starts to look like the old one you just replaced. Not to mention the dramatic drop in value caused by those small dings. You want your car always looking like new. With the Protector Enhanced Protection Plan, the Paintless Dent Repair Program will help keep your vehicle looking like new. This program allows for repairs to remove minor dents and dings without harm to the vehicle's factory finish, utilizing paintless dent repair techniques. Repair work can be completed with little inconvenience to you. We'll dispatch service to you at your home or business. Similar service at a general auto body shop can cost you hundreds, even thousands per repair. Protect your vehicle from minor dings and dents and keep your car looking great with the Protector Paintless Dent Repair Program. Ask your dealer about it today. There's hundreds of ways to lose your keys, but only one great way to ensure a low-cost, quick, and easy replacement. We've all lost our keys at some point, and some of us do it quite often. Today's keys are like small computers. It can be very expensive to replace when they're lost, stolen, or even damaged. Because of the advances in technology, the cost of buying and reprogramming a key and fob can often cost up to $800. With the Protector Enhanced Protection Plan, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're protected from the cost of an unexpected key replacement. This program covers the cost up to $800 per year for lost, stolen, or even damaged keys. In addition, this service also covers the expensive cost of reprogramming your replacement key. Just give us a call. Protect your keys and yourself from the unexpected expense of losing your keys with the Protector Enhanced Protection Key Replacement Program. For more information, talk to your auto dealer salesperson